Hey guys, welcome back to new one. Today we're gonna work on the S15, especially on the rims. We're gonna rebuild those. If you have a look, those aren't in great condition. The wheel barrel needs some polishing. It's everywhere overspray. Also the centerpiece I wanna remove, paint it or powder coat it, and maybe lower the car a little bit. Also got some new tires. Yeah, these are really necessary, with some smaller sidewalls here and in the rear also. Just wanted to work on my car, but look what I found. Ponies! What are they doing here? Oh, he's scared. I want to pet him or her. Come on, please let me pet you. Oh, so sweet. So funny. There are two ponies here. One. So cool. For the next step, we're gonna disassemble those wheels. In order to do so, we need to remove those 20 bolts. Then the middle part should pop out. After that, I need to repair those blemishes around here, scuff it all up and send it off for paint. So let's get into it. first two wheels are finally done. They came out awesome. Look at that, so shiny. And this isn't even polished. The last coat I did with a 3000 of wet sand. Yeah, look, so nice. For comparison, this I didn't scuff up. That's a crazy difference. Ugly, new and shiny. Ugly, new and shiny. So for the next step, I'm gonna polish it with some metal polish, and then they are looking brand new again. Now we can assemble those wheels, but first we need to put the valve in, and then we can put in the star with the new screws. Those need to be torqued to 24 Newton meters, and never forget the Loctite. That is very important. Wheels are almost done. Look how great they look. So nice, so gorgeous. Such a difference from before. Just needed to replace those old crusty screws around here. I was a little bit stupid and ordered just 60 of those, but yeah, I need 80. If you can count, you're better off. And here are the tires I'm gonna be mounting. What are those? Those are Bridgestone Potenza Sport. For the front 215, 45 R17, and for the rear 245, 40 R17. Those are 7.5 for the front and 8.5 for the rear. The tires are mounted now. Looks really great, especially with the media sidewall here. Also the rear looks pretty much the same, front and rear. Now we need to lower the car a little bit. It should go nicely, not too much crust around the coilovers in the rear. Let's have a look at the front. Yeah, the front also. This should go nicely. Let's lower it 1 to 2 centimeters. Take off the jack stands and see where it sits. car's lowered now. Looks really nice. In the end I did in the rear 1.5 mils of lowering, and in the front 0.8. The fender gap is nice, but the tire can push out a little bit further. Maybe I need to order some spacers, 1 centimeter or something like that. Now it's a small spacer on of 0.5 mils. But yeah, if you can tell, it has a little bit play, so the tire can stand flush around the fender. And in the rear, same as in the front, a little bit more. That looks nice. A little bit stancy boy. We reached an end to this video. I hope you guys liked this content. It was really much work. Really didn't expect that it takes so much time and effort to do this, but now they're finished, they are gorgeous, and I couldn't be happier.